Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss lesson 18, Democracy and Equality. All of us know democracy means the government ruled by the people. Abraham Lincoln of USA defined democracy is the government by the people, of the people, and for the people. The form of our country is the representative democracy. Key elements are: first, people participations in the government; second, people free to express their views, not vote, views; and third, the people get right to get equal treatment in everywhere. A democratic government works through the voting. In representative democracy, there is franchise or right to vote and choose right person. Every democratic country has fixed voting age. In India, all the adults who have reached 18 years or above who able to cast their vote, no matter where they are, men or women, rich or poor, educated or illiterate. In a democratic country, the government is formed for fixed period and of the and after this there is a fresh election. In India, elections are to the central and state legislatures held at least once a 5 years. Now it is discussed about political party. What is political party? Political party means is an organization of people who have similar view in political issues. Every party is in contest and win the election and form the government. The party which win form the government is known as ruling party and another party is as opposition. Apart from democracy, we also have a form of government. They are the monarchy and dictatorship. In monarchy, there is a king or a queen also have to power to rule. Democracy gives maximum freedom to the people. Even it allows the people to change the representative if they not working proper according to constitution. It is often said there is no democracy without equality. Hence, in most democratic countries, all citizens are equal, given equal rights and opportunities, and there is no discrimination in the basis of race, religious, language, caste. India, also a democratic country. Indian Constitution granted all citizens the equal right. Their rights given by the Indian Constitutions are as follows. All citizens are equal before law first. Second, discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, gender and place of birth is prohibited. Third, the laws gives equal protection to all. And fourth is untouchability is punishable before law. And fifth one is everyone is entitled to equal opportunity in all walk of life. Our government has given the right to equality, but it is only formally. Still, we find many social inequality in society. The poor people do not get education and medical facilities because they do not have enough money. Another example of inequality is ill treatment of Dalits many places in our country. If any inequality, there are many struggles to win rights. There are several laws in India to protect their rights and treat it equally. The Government of India has implemented the provisions of the constitutions given under the right to equality in two ways. First, the many laws have been made to protect the right to equality. For example, equal opportunity in education and job. And second, government has launched many programs and schemes for those communities that need assistance. For example, STs, SCs and OBCs. The programs of the government will be meaningful only if they have the support of the people. For example, some schemes, government schemes encourage people to send their children to elementary school as free and compulsory education has been guaranteed for their in our constitution. It motivated many parents to send their children to school as nutritious midday meal was provided. As a result, the enrollment of school has increased. After independence, there was an urgent need for the government to do something special and concrete to liberate from the backwardness and oppressions. Thus, government provide reservation to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to ensure their proportionate share in all walks of life so that they could live a life of respect and dignity. Our government has adopted many schemes like loan, self-employment scheme, low budget housing on installment, free legal advice, widow pension, etc. to provide education, employment and housing to all. Literary programs like Operation Blackboard, Universal Elementary Education and Adult Educations have gained very popularity. Along with midday meal, the schools are providing free uniform and books, stipend, scholarship, medical checkup, etc. Girl students and children from weaker section have a reserved quota not only in government but also in a private school. And last, we must make sure that Indian democracy goes in a right direction and provides equality to all, where all citizens are aware, enlightened and educated. Okay student, this is all for today. Have a nice day.